I wanna feel you standing next to me. Can you hear me out? There's a lifetime.
It was a bit too windy and noisy up there. So now I am on the trail. Thinking I'm gonna try to find another spot here on the trail, or just do the vlog as I walk. So I have about 9 minutes left. So these vlogs are a meditation on the present moment, capturing reality without any edits, without any script or agenda. It's more about observing the present moment, listening to what's happening around you, around me, and within me, and seeing where it goes. Meaning, like, it's not necessarily to be saying something. I could be quiet for the whole 10 minutes, and that might be even better. Ooh, that's a great view. But really, there's no judgments. There's no better or worse, actually. So silence is no better than talking, and talking is no better than silence. I have my backpack with my drone. I'm thinking about where to stop and film with the drone. Chris and I, my friend, we would always stop at that peak at our morning walks, and now I'm past it, and I'm really interested in finding out what's beyond here, how far this canyon goes. So far around here, there's very few houses. It's very, very cool. It looks like this whole valley is without any houses, and so is this side. So I think we're going up. I think the house is down there, and the valley's here. And I think I was flying the drone around there, and from the house up there. So trying to remember what this area was like. I think it was just up, and it was just mountains. I think over there I could see beyond that peak, behind that ridge over there, and that's like the north, like a little bit north of like LA. So I think if I'm orienting myself correctly, I think I want to say I'm walking south-ish towards the ocean. All right, so it's about 3 minutes 30 seconds. Yeah, last time I did a vlog, it was, I think, like last Thursday or Friday. And then there was the weekend. I think Saturday and Friday I did some coding work, and then I did some helping out my friend Chris with the renovation. Did some drywall and some cleaning. Let me check the audio. It's at 4 minutes. Okay, I think the audio is fine. I think it's quite good with this one headphone earpod. So I was saying, I was working on the app Text Life, and I was also working, and then I helped my friend, and then on Sunday I started. Sunday was like a chill day off. We were wandering off around Santa Monica Beach and the Venice Beach, and like around there. It was fun. had just an open day. Did yoga on the beach with this group of Russians. Interesting experience. Wow. And I started the AI headshots.pics. So that's Sunday when I started. Then Monday I worked on it like a lot, and I visited my friend in LA in Echo Park. And today I've been also working on this app, so that's where my mind is at, on specifically deploying a Docker Compose file to AWS, to the Elastic Container Service, using cloud formations. So it's kind of exciting, it's cool, I like it. Once I get this done, so yesterday I deployed, connected to the S3 bucket, which is challenging as heck, and connected Stripe, and I connected Replicate, and I was able to test it, so that was a big win. I could test it on my local environment. That was exciting. So today I'm really looking forward to deploying it. So I'm using this open source project, and then after I deploy it, I want to rewrite the front end, iterate on it. I want to improve it. I want to make it better. I want to make it better, more tasteful. And I'm excited because this is a fun app, and it's a useful one for professional headshots that can also be used for other purposes, like generating avatar images, your profile pictures. So I could get creative and connect it to a blockchain and create an NFT protocol. That would be fun. That'd be a fun project and could be fun and profitable. So I'm really looking forward to jamming on this, doing this, connecting with Stripe, and then connecting with, hey, I just thought of that, your PFP generator. Bring back the NFT craze. It's fun. I think it'll be fun. And really, I just thought of the NFT crypto thing. But really, there's a lot of possibilities, like automatically sending the generated image to posting it to your Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn. That's fun. And another thing is sharing your prompts and having an ecosystem developed around the creation of prompts, and that's fun. Oh, I can see behind that ridge. So I think that looks like north. But I'm really walking east right now. It's so beautiful. So I'm at 7 minutes now, and I don't really want to end it at 10. I feel like I want to hang out here on this vlog. And so what else is interesting? So yeah, this is the documentation of this human being's life. He's been on this earth for 34 years. has a life expectancy of, your average life expectancy is 82, 85. So let's say 40 more years. No, 30, 40. 50? Okay, maybe 50 if I'm lucky. 50 more years on this planet. And what will I do? Well, one day maybe I will look back on this video and be like, there was me in that one place on that speck of dust in the universe, walking around that ridge in the Topanga Canyon in California. There I was, and here I am now at 80 years old, looking back on this document from the present. I wonder what that person would say. It's getting windy. The person would say, so time is short, right? Right now it's precious. This documentation, this vlog is precious. I don't want to be like wasting this opportunity. And so I think this is like the artist question. Oh, we're over the ridge now. That looks like it could be the ocean. Beautiful. So I'm going to try to find a place that's shielded from the wind. And I don't have a lot of time, so maybe I will go up here. I'm going to try to whistle so I can scare away any lizards or snakes. Make noise. Okay, I think I'm over 10 minutes now. So, but I want to finish my story and my point. And so this thought experiment. The thought experiment is me in 50 years sitting on a chair and looking at this video and being like, what would that person want to say to me? And that's one point. And the second point is, me from this perspective, how do I use my time right now? What decisions do I make? What words do I use in order to make a good use of this opportunity? So that's the allegory of the artist. That's the work of an artist, which is the artist decides what they do with their time, what they do with their opportunity to create, to make what they want to make, to make something, because they are aware of aware of the limits of the time that they have and the opportunity that they have. They know that this opportunity is limited. They only have so much blank canvas to express, to do something. And so this is a computational question at core. It's a math problem of us as humans, us as brains, as neural networks here. We're computing and we're calculating and we're seeing what was here before and creating models of what exists, and we compute, we create, we create models of our understanding. We create things in order to understand the world. So that's why science and technology and art are two halves of one whole. And so this is the wisdom of, this is the insight that I have gotten to through my walk and talk here in this examination of the present moment, of the thoughts and of thinking, examination of thinking. Because I just was walking here with no real purpose with this camera, no real purpose other than to observe what is happening and what is happening within and without. So I observed the landscape and I observed my thoughts. And what came up was this, well, I was talking about my last few days. I was talking about what's happening today, what I have to go back to when I return from this walk, to building this business and this living, this building this livelihood, and also wondering about this medium of recording and of time and of words and awareness. So it's 11 minutes plus like 4, so it's like 15 minutes. I'll end it here. Peace till next time. Made it to the top of the canyon ridge. That's north. The house is there. That's, I think that's LA. That's the ocean. That's the sun.